In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tasks to a different project in ClickUp. If you need to reorganize your work, clean up a project, or simply place a task where it belongs, ClickUp makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to move a task from one project to another so you can keep your workspace organized and easy to manage. To begin, start from your home workspace and locate the project where the task is currently stored. This first step is important because you need to access the task from its current location before you can move it anywhere else. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area so you don't accidentally select the wrong project or task. Once you've found the right project, open it and select the task you want to move. Be sure you're clicking into the exact task that needs to be transferred. This helps avoid confusion, especially if you're working in a project with several similar task names. After opening the task, look for the three-dot icon. This is where you'll find additional task options and settings. Click that icon to open the menu. In many ClickUp views, this menu contains actions related to managing the task, so it's a useful place to remember for future task edits as well. From that menu, click on Move To. This option allows you to change the task's current location and send it to another project. It's a simple feature, but it's very helpful when your workflow changes or when a task was originally placed in the wrong location. Next, select the target project where you want the task to go. Take a second to confirm you're choosing the correct destination, especially if your workspace contains multiple folders or projects with related names. Sending it to the right place the first time saves you from having to repeat the process. Once that's done, the task will disappear from the current folder or project and should appear in the new location you selected. That's your confirmation that the move was successful. If you don't see it right away, give the workspace a brief moment to refresh and then check the destination project. And that's it. That's how you move a task to a different project in ClickUp. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference when it comes to keeping your projects clean, accurate, and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.